is one of the most ambitious construction projects in human history, a stadium shaped like a blooming lotus flower, built in the heart of China. In the Panyu district of Guangzhou, China, a dream was planted, a 12 billion yuan stadium that would become the greatest football arena ever built.
Hidden within the bustling heart of Guangzhou's Panyu district, a sleeping giant is about to awaken. Guangzhou Teen, known as the Flower City of China P, a metropolis of over 18 million people, and the birthplace of this extraordinary vision. The initial vision was unprecedented, a 100,000-seat arena designed to rival the greatest stadiums on Earth. To support such a colossal structure, the Earth had to be carved open. Giant piling rigs pierced the soil, reaching deep into the bedrock of the city. These deep steel roots would hold the weight of an architectural marvel. Miles of heavy steel rebar were woven together, creating an unbreakable skeleton. Thousands of tons of high-strength concrete were poured continuously to form the massive raft foundation. The foundation pour continued day and night, an unstoppable force of engineering. The base was set. The dream was taking shape. Originally, this arena was designed to resemble a magnificent blooming lotus flower. A tribute to Guangzhou, famously known as the Flower City. The underground levels expanded quickly, mapping out a vast sports-themed urban complex. But monumental ambitions often carry monumental risks. By mid-2021, a devastating financial crisis struck the original developers. The unstoppable machine ground to a sudden, chilling halt. For over a year, the colossal structure sat abandoned, rusting quietly in the sun and rain. Many believed the $1.7 billion dream was dead forever. A monumental ruin left decaying in the heart of the Panyu district. But a site this massive, with this much potential, could not be left to fade. In early 2024, the Chinese government intervened. The Guangzhou City Construction Investment Group took command, and the beast awoke once more. The site was purged, prepped, and readied for an entirely new vision. The original lotus flower design was scrapped.
Instead, the state-owned architects unveiled an updated, culturally rich masterpiece.
A design inspired by the ancient, intricate ivory carving techniques of the Panyu Kingdom. The capacity was strategically reduced to a more sustainable 73,000 seats. Yet, it remained the largest professional football-specific stadium in China. The project was handed to the elite China Construction 4th Engineering Bureau. Under their command, construction speed reached unprecedented levels.
Massive raker beams were cast with absolute millimeter precision. Post-tension cables were pulled tight, giving the concrete superhuman strength.
The inner concrete bowl was finally complete, a coliseum for the modern age. The outer framework required thousands of tons of custom-forged steel. But the true marvel of this structure lay in its exterior shell.
each piece engineered to interlock, creating a breathtaking geometric pattern. Giant steel trusses were hoisted into the heavens. This framework replaced the Lotus petals with a sweeping, dynamic crown. A sprawling canopy of steel that would protect the fans while letting the structure breathe.
These colossal steel nodes act as the joints of the giant, holding the entire canopy together.
A massive tension ring was assembled, squeezing the structure into perfect stability. Walking beneath this framework is like walking through a forest of iron. To conquer the roof, massive sections were pre-assembled on the ground. In a display of extreme engineering, heavy lift cranes raised the mega trusses as one. Bolted into the sky, the roof structure began to enclose the colossal arena. The open oculus of the roof leaves the pitch perfectly exposed to the sun and rain.
The canopy was then wrapped in a high-tech, weather-resistant membrane. This skin protects the 73,000 fans from Guangzhou's heavy subtropical rains. The ivory carving inspiration is finally visible in the sharp, elegant lines of the canopy. With the roof secured, attention shifted to the interior. 73,000 seats were imported, ready to line the concrete bowl. A perfect gradient of color, symbolizing passion, power, and victory. Simultaneously, the heart of the stadium was being built, the pitch. A state-of-the-art underground drainage system was laid to handle torrential downpours. Layers of engineered soil, sand, and heating pipes were carefully stacked. A flawless, laser-leveled surface prepared for the absolute highest tier of professional play. A FIFA-standard hybrid turf was rolled out, locking perfectly into place. The battleground was set, ready to host the world's greatest athletes. Around the pitch, luxurious VIP suites were enclosed with high-grade architectural glass. The concourses were designed for massive crowd flow, featuring cutting-edge amenities. Colossal high-definition screens were hoisted into the rafters.
Bringing a digital pulse to the heart of the Guangzhou Football Park. On the outside, the massive geometric shell received its final armor. Thousands of custom-fitted cladding panels were locked onto the steel frame. The geometry of the Panyu ivory carvings finally brought to life in massive scale. Beyond the stadium walls, a sprawling sports-themed urban complex took shape. Integrating commercial spaces, outdoor sports parks, and community hubs into one massive ecosystem. The grand entrance was designed to funnel thousands of passionate fans into the arena. To make the stadium a true beacon of the city, a state-of-the-art illumination system was installed.
As the sun sets over the Panyu district, the true magic of the structure is revealed. A programmable outer shell, capable of reflecting the team's spirit and the city's vibrant energy.
It stands not just as a stadium, but as a luminous monument to resilience. A fully realized AFC-compliant arena,
built to the exact standards of the world's highest leagues.
73,000 empty seats, waiting for the roar of the crowd. The pitch is perfect. The stage is set.
From a halted, rusting foundation to the greatest football park in the nation. Walking out of this tunnel, players will feel the weight of an entire city.
Surrounded by a masterpiece of modern architecture and heavy engineering.
From a halted, rusting foundation to the greatest football park in the nation.
Every detail around the megastructure was polished to absolute perfection.
Strategic access roads seamlessly connect the arena to the massive transport hubs of Guangzhou. A striking contrast of open sports culture against the dense urban skyline. The dynamic roof design plays with the sun, creating shifting shadows like deep ivory carvings. Mirrored glass facades blend the massive structure into the sky above. The gates stand ready, anticipating the massive influx of football fanatics. Standing outside, the sheer scale of the 50-meter-high walls is truly humbling. A triumph of material science and architectural vision perfectly unified.
State-of-the-art broadcasting hubs are wired to transmit the action to millions worldwide. Deep below, industrial systems breathe life into the concrete giant. The locker rooms await the greatest football clubs in the world.
The upper decks offer unparalleled views of both the match and the metropolis. Every inch of this 500,000 square meter complex was designed for maximum impact. The strength of the state-owned enterprise is permanently cast into these walls. Elegant water features mirror the sweeping architecture, doubling its visual impact. The surrounding public parks ensure the legacy serves the people of Guangzhou every single day. At night, the intricate steel framework is illuminated, transforming into a glowing crown. An electric crater of passion, carved into the heart of the Panyu district. A seating bowl designed specifically to keep the crowd right on top of the action. Every single detail, down to the final blades of grass, engineered for greatness.
The acoustics of the canopy are engineered to trap the roar of the fans, turning it into a weapon.
The entire exterior becomes a digital canvas, alive with pure energy. Perfectly integrated with China's high-speed rail network, bringing millions to its gates.
As we approach the end of 2025, the final touches are applied. The boundaries are drawn. The history is written. A facility that blends extreme luxury with raw, unfiltered athletic power. The dugouts wait silently for the masterminds of the beautiful game. Symmetry, strength, and ultimate precision. From the ashes of a corporate collapse rose a national treasure. A new dawn for Chinese football.
The ivory carving of the Panyu Kingdom, standing 7 meters tall.
a testament to the engineers and machines that forged it.
This is the massive $1.7 billion Guangzhou Football Park, the undisputed largest professional football stadium in China.
A monumental project that refused to be forgotten.
Ready to host the future of the beautiful game.